Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. I think say Endra was Endra echi me the podcast be ebremo. A broadcast na me the buy na me betre mo say Ghana ha say akwakọ ye say yempe say nkrofo ebe kasa bio. Unim na wo criticize aban e wo bibia aban eye ho pe. Nkrofo beba abonten na ya better girl as opposition. Now in that particular broadcast mamoti ase say Osofo Ajenasare na nsenya wakasa efa banks a egu ne ho a wakasa enye na wakasa asem ne wie ya ene ehun say some people supposedly and are believed to be from a year MPP ebebe attacking no na enye easy Osofo penyipa wo Ghana senya ya attacking no na enye easy chema wuntumi mu na ba bonten beka se wonye kom na nsem a esi no wonim ho hwe wo no Osofo no wonim ho hwe now Wasafo no eba abonten be reply e ma me mamoti ase wo say mo amo attack ni nia no no wonim say mo be attack no because Ghana sisi and sa e na akwakoye and rightfully so o sorry na wo yase wo kasa wo Ghana ha say me aye be attack no enye easy now ye wo ho ane say nkrofo bi ehihye chire a ye den nsem no to wasofo no so say wasofo no sebe wone nkrofo na asori mma no eda wo re omo say in some way, also the two soften no. And you see, it all goes down to the point I told you. Me mamoti says, "Our podcast na me you know. Wobi and Ankrofo crab aba attacking me Melodies ne crack. I said, me and me kebiama papa no. Me NDC ni." And you can go in and read the comments on that particular broadcast. We see NDC platform. Or see this one the NDC platform. And I've told you, say, that mentality we have as Ghanaians, no, and no nema yenkoye, and no nema Ghana, NCNye. Just because someone is criticizing the government, and not just because obi kasa, na yede asemeto no so, ni ye kasa, sa ade no munja na yenye no, yesi yenso ye NDC4. Now, in some way yede to papa ne so, se papa no, and ye, worry asoremba oyewe no, waba abonten ne nsembi aba betuja. Quotation about the two John Mary dia tremo na chese Ghana phone na mwati de papa no ekan was say I have not kissed anyone say they atone so say na so remember no worry omo wo yemba say obi a waware was of penyi Bishop Charles Ajenasare one name no Ghana ha say penyi kese so for penyi yaka asofo mpenyifo wo Ghana ha say all kind top 10 top 5 obviously wo kan ho bi of the Perez Dome. I see, and you see, for a big man of God to even be speaking about things like this, and so to me who say yes, asem no, akwe tre emankrofo ag asem nedi. Intia na walka safa asem ne hono. I say I have not kissed anyone other than my wife in 35 years. I say worry 35 years ni. Ne krane nyankopon wenim. Sa enfiano kra no wonfi obia no da in these 35 years no ne yere pe. I say by the grace of God I have lived a life of sexual purity from the age of 18 when I got born again in 1980. Since then the only woman I have had sex with is my wife, and that happened after we got married in August 1985. I am proud to say in my 35 years of marriage I have not kissed, smooched, or had sex with anyone except my wife. Says of opinion, ebe can same way, atum framim, senya bedin kan tell no. It just shows how bad the thing has gone. How some people are believing, say yede to papa ne so, say papa no, worry na asoremba, wo fa ne yiri echi no, inta na wo kan same way nyina. Say nyankopon ne dance ni 35 years ni a wo ware ye. Say smoochie no, say wo miamba o, say wo ne mba say da o, o say sa de no. Gonye bi krada. O say the integrity is still intact and nothing can be done to soil it. Because people, say the people actually tagging him with promiscuity, no, they are faceless persons. And you see, it is all because of what he said. Bonnie ben na papa ekan. Bonnie ben enokan. Papa ne babontin say Ghana has it. Na sama wakan na yentro ana. Asama papa ne kan no me bisa o yentro. If we don't want our pastors to be speaking the truth to us, and the hwamu and the was kan ne kran no etre yen. Say yem pese ya sofo mu ebe kan ne kran no atre yen a. Sebe hwamu and ye pese o mo kan ne kran ne tre yen. Wasi ende se nya Ghana akwa ye die esi ene se yankasa yendo ye ho Ghana ni ba na sa de na nya no na ya Kofi Adoma wanwani kan ya obi abo Kofi Adoma wanwani abaso no enye no na Kofi Adoma wanwani ya oka wasi Ghana se obi hu ne se ne yonko esi we bi ne yonko kwaso a enye ne de wo pese wo hu ne se ye foreigner mom ye fa ne se wo broni abaga na ba be si company ene de obefa ne normal wo be bu obroni ne krama company ne egro ebenyin na so hu ne se ne yonko Ghana ni ene ya build this company na de obo be ya ne yonko Ghana ni no wo be hwe na obehwe ne fom no wo be ye. Is that not what we all talk about? We all talk about those things. Yini na ye kan musicians can and the Ghana there we don't support our own. Don't we say that? It's ye dear bonipa na wasofu ya kan ye di ebe chichi ne koyin waka ye no na wode kan ho wo hwe banks ayegu no wo dey imagine o say bank ba ko yamfa ne say GN bank ta ko sindum ne bank ayegu yamfa ne say wo branches kra no be ye 20 pe ne branches ne bru 20 o but yamfa ne say wo branches 20 pe as our 20 branches no every branch wa employ nkrofo yamfa ne say 5 pe kra na. At least if we're not at all krana nkro 400 bank ni go ya nkro 400 no mo lusu wo mo adwuma but employers are employees are wono omo do more than 1,000 and na me no ka say they are all at home wo mo hwehwe adwuma wo mo nya banks ni financial institutions na egu ye ni na no enti wo sofo no ba bontin be ka say de no na nka de wo say we ya ye betumi aya asebe na nka Ghana fo na ebre na ende wo mo lusu wo mo adwuma ne kan ka betumi save. Banks na egu no omo no musika gu wokra no bebre na air complain say wo mo ensa enkan wo musika ye. So don't we have a way to solve this whole thing? Because the fact of the matter is sika ye spend ya ye di gu banks no say sika no eson classing e ka ye say ababeto bank ni so it is sabe wa wo tina say e wo wankasa wa adwin mu no. Is that right? Yes, who run the business a who run no wa boka 10 cedis. Na 10 cedis na wa boka na ye say business ye ma won run biom na business ye say ye ma won run biom no ye ba na ye bebubu o business places na ye gu business na e kana ye bebo no ye 50 cedis. So what is the right thing to do? The right thing is say bia e kano o de be ma nipa kono na wa ye den na wo de e kana wo de wo business mu a wo pese wo gu ne nti no wa ma wo de sustaining ne ho. Ena papa yi ebe sori ye kasa ese sa de ne ya de bia enye indigenous banks are na ye Ghana for banks nkwa na egu no enya de a eye ntwa ye bone be no kan. We all talk about these things. Ehwa na ye de be fan ho say ane wono kra first trust savings and loans a egu ye no wono kra wokoji bosia wo ho eno kra kan na bank ni gu ye eno ba bonte be ka say oh entro be nso ni. Inti me criticize said ye esi no enya nti afa mu de nsem e beto me so oba bontin be respond ye say e entro nsi krada. People were saying it. Oba bontin be ka say entro nsi da afa baby omode asem na afa no say wono kra no wonya sofo papa woni mada woni seida eno so na waba bontin a waba be kasa wo ho no. And I've told you sisi a Ghana there e ko obi nkwa na ka men kasa because na ban e na ewo e ko obi nkwa anka men ka sadda anka yekum because e na ban na woso. But this thing I was awful. You see, and then ya no because these are the people they be so mu yekom nsem si wo Ghana no mu yekom a e ya na yen ye ba bonten be ba hye wo mu. Say eh e den na esi ansofo ya yekom because omu na woso wo mu kasa. Nti ende ama nkrofo asabe nsem si a e woso wo mu kasa ni na no sebe wo mu ayekom onim no be kasa de ye de be ye no obenu ne ho. Nti obi ayekom eno omode omonsa hye omode mirifem because who dia agro asem a ye de beto so no Yipe ku wani mu ase intro near the tools because mama what you say Ghana has say kra no. Say yes say you be din e very easy. Ghana ha yes say you be din. You know over for social media now then you don't provide proof. People will believe because they want to believe. It is as simple as that. Nti asem no munche mwa your comment box ni mo. Me da say